Oh, don't eat. Oh my God. Eat tayo na. Where's the other one, Kiki? Ah, found it. Up, up, up. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ow. Ugh. Excuse me. Kiki. Kiki, come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, good boy. Good boy. Up, up, up. Don't bite. Toot, 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 toot. Oh, this is for you. Hey, hi, mga guapo o guapa. So I have already completed the Kiki bed. This is gonna be Kiki's new bed, first ever proper bed. So just to tell you, Kiki is actually free roaming, so he's pretty much everywhere in the house. And I'm gonna put this bed at the same spot where he normally hangs around. It is very durable. I feel like I can sit on it and I don't think Kiki has the same weight as I do. So yes, this is originally a doll bed. You already know I got this from Ikea, and this is one of the most iconic bunny or rabbit bed out there, and a lot of bunny moms or bunny dads already have one of these, just my opinion. And I think the rest of bunny moms out there or bunny dads, they would recommend this as well. So far, Kiki has not slept on it yet, but he did play around. He already bit some of the parts. He's gonna be playing with this wood from time to time. Anyway, this cost me $25 and It comes with the screws and some sheets, but the one that came along is very thin, and I would definitely recommend you guys, especially if your bunny likes something that is cushiony. So I just decided to put a bed sheet, an old bed sheet that I have. I folded it many times to make it smaller and would fit the bed frame. But now it is cushiony, better than it was. So if you also have some extra money and you want to buy um, a cushion for bunnies for this bed frame, you can also do that. This Peter Rabbit does not come with the bed, just to let you know. Okay, to end this video, I should have Kiki with me. So I have Kiki now, and yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also wish that your bunny would also get a wonderful bed, a personalized bed for him or her. And yes, that's all for today. If you like this video, just comment down below what you think, if you're getting this bed for your rabbit or not. But I would really recommend this. This is not sponsored by Ikea, by the way. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I hope this video is informative, and yeah, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to see more Kiki videos, and have a great day. Bye!